Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the premise and the reader you're writing for. That alignment guides every decision. Once done, draft a 10-20 chapter skeleton and mark the 3 to 5 core arcs you must cover. Next, select an AI tool and set defaults like output length and temperature, so responses are consistent. Then ask the AI to produce a one-paragraph summary per chapter. This immediately turns ideas into concrete writing tasks you can iterate on. You now expand chapters into actionable scene or section prompts, aiming for 3 to 6 items per chapter. Ask the AI to draft each section, then switch roles. Have it critique and rewrite with focused instructions on tone or pacing. Once a draft exists, run targeted prompts for transitions, character beats, or evidence linking ideas. This creates cohesion. Make sure to insert research placeholders where you need verified facts, and plan a separate pass to check and annotate sources before finalizing content. You finish by performing a deep line edit focused on voice consistency and pacing, asking the AI to make specific changes while you preserve intent. Then format for your target channels, ebook, print, or serial, with correct headings, front matter, and metadata. Send drafts to beta readers and incorporate feedback in targeted revision passes. If the AI goes off track, lower temperature, shorten prompts, or split sections into smaller chunks. Always run a final human edit to catch errors and preserve your authorial voice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.